I've recently discovered that we have carpet beetles. Because my carpet is so thick, it's time to get serious. This is the Bissell Canister Carpet Vacuum. This little baby's really powerful. And this little dude comes with 3 attachments. This is your surface attachment. Ew. You can switch it from hard floors to carpet. Sometimes this thing is so powerful, all you gotta do is flip it open to allow more air to come through and lower the suction. And now let's try it on the hard floors. There's also a brush attachment, as well as a skinny nozzle attachment. And when you're done, you just lift the canister out and dump the dirt in the trash. One of my favorite features is the automatic cordon one. Ta-da! I only have 2 critiques about this vacuum. One is that I have nowhere to stash the attachment. I guess I just need to keep them in a little bag somewhere so I don't lose them. It was nice of them to give you this little slot where you could store your floor attachment, which is a little odd. The other criticism I have is that I don't really know what to do with this hose. So wherever this lives, it's gonna have all this and these living alongside it. But other than that, this little Bissell bagless canister vac does some serious damage to some serious dirt. All the links for all the products I've used will be in the description below. Which type of vacuum do you prefer? Canister or upright? And what's your favorite attachment for the floor? Leave me a comment and let me know. As always, thank you so much for watching.